Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious yam burger. First, choose about 1 pound of firm yams. Peel them carefully and cut them into 1-inch thick slices. Then, boil these slices until they are tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. This initial step is crucial for creating a smooth and flavorful patty. Once your yams are tender, mash them completely until they are smooth. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg into the mashed yam mixture. For flavor, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly and well to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Now, it's time to form your yam mixture into 4 to 6 burger patties, depending on your desired size. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot oil and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Finally, let's assemble your delicious yam burger. Lightly toast your favorite burger buns to add a nice texture. Place a warm, cooked yam patty on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Then, customize your burger with your preferred toppings, such as fresh lettuce, sliced tomato, and a tasty sauce. Enjoy your homemade yam burger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.